The pH level is, as you can see, it's because of the monsoons that the pH level would have improved because of the dilution from the monsoon rainwater. But this is a seasonal phenomena where the pH levels they come down to a very acidic level, that is during the lean season, and there are also traces of certain heavy metals. And psychoremediation is a process by which we can, the algae can counter these kind of phenomena.
So, talking about the scale, so how much is enough to save the rivers?
Yes, see, this is a pilot project. As you can see, it was started um, with the intention of testing whether, how effective it will be. And we can see right now that the efficacy levels are very high. And however, as I said, it's a scalable model. So as per the requirement, we will be conducting a study as to what level it has to be scaled up to ensure that the process can be expedited.
So, will the technology be made available to local bodies or individuals?
Yes. So now, as we all know that algae is a global phenomena. It has found acceptance all over the world, and uh, to make this a sustainable model, we need the involvement of community, um, of all the stakeholders to come forward and participate in this. And for this, we want to, as a department, make sure that to make this a sustainable model, to bring in involvement of the people, and for that, we have been talking to many people from outside, especially from the US and from Israel, to bring in ways and means by which this can become a sustainable model. What I mean to say is that algae a um, is also become a lot of people have become aware of the fact that this is a superfood. It has more beta carotene than carrots. It has more iron than spinach. Um, so because of the high nutritional value of algae per se as a food, we believe that a lot of people are growing aware of it, and if people were to cultivate it not just for the psychoremediation of rivers, but also to sell this as a superfood, I think that this would become a model which is sustainable for the future, and which a model which would involve the community and would empower the community. So we are looking at such kind of ways and means by which we can tie things up and bring about a more sustainable model. The reason why the acidity is high is because of acid mine drainage, which is water which gets mixed up in the coal mine areas and then flows into the rivers. That is the reason why the acidity level is so high. There's precipitation from the fact that there are two tributaries that come, and the place where the confluence takes place, there water coming from the limestone areas mixing with the water coming from coal mine areas, the highly acidic with the highly alkaline. There, then we have a lot of heavy metals that come about. So yes, it is a problem, all these things, but that is why we as a department are very keen at looking at how we can find remedies and solutions to these kind of challenges that are there. And this is a problem which everyone is facing. Where do you find the balance? And I think that the challenge lies in the fact that we need to find that balance. It's not easy. Because you can't say one is more important than the other. So we're always, in that constant mode of striking a balance between the two. It's not easy. You can't keep everyone happy, but then, a decision has to be taken, and we have to move ahead. So it's very important that in the move towards economic growth, we also have um, a very, very conscientious mind and thought towards the environment and the ecology, and to protect that delicate balance that is there, that exists. So the question is very pertinent, and it is always the effort of the government to find and strike that balance.